Max will show you how to jack up the car, but before that, remember to pull up your handbrake before you do anything else. For jack up the car, we will need a screwdriver to unscrew the wheel cover that we can get to the bolts. We also will need the wrench or the key for the wheel nuts. We have this wheel nut cross, and we will need the car jack to jack up the car. Max will show us now how to jack up the car. So most of the cars got little marks. Here are little holes to it. Some of them got an arrows where the jack need to goes to. So Max is jacking up the car, preparing it, just tighten it by hand. And when it's tight, he will use the extended handle to make it easier. And just turn around and the car will lift up. We take our screwdriver and we unscrew the wheel cover. In this case we have just one little screw there. And the wheel cover will come off easily. Now we can take our wheel nut cross and we can loosen the screws. Max here's got the cross for tightening the bolts, and obviously on the roadside this is alright to do it like this, but we have a little power tool to help us out. So Max will untie this, and the rest of them he will use the power tool for it. We untied all the bolts, we can take the wheel off. If you like what you see,
Like and subscribe.
thanks for watching.